What's up, guys? This is Josh for Blanchette Decoys, here to do a unboxing video. This is a package that was sent to me by a company called Ronan Paints. You've seen me post a couple of their products before that I use in the shop. So let's go ahead and start opening this up and see what they sent. So I know in the past I've showed Ronan Paints before, and they are a really good paint. So let's see what they have today. They sent. So looks like it was actually made for 6 things, but I know that they only sent 1. So it is their Prime All water-based acrylic primer and stain kill white. So it's pretty cool. I do know that when they had sent this to me, they gave me some spec sheets, which you can actually find on their website at ronanpaints.com. Reason for sending it is I wanted to try something new as far as primers. And they had reached out and about having and sending something. So I'm going to be using it on my decoys, of course, and if I do like it, which I'm going to try to do like a little try it video as well, between this and the Bins 123 primer that I use. So hopefully this is pretty good. It looks like it's supposed to almost like when it means stain kill, like it's supposed to go over if something that had stain or any almost like a blocker type thing. So I know it's good for concrete, MDF, MDO, drywall, masonite, stuff like that. So I look forward to possibly even use this on other things too. But for the most part, I want to try to switch over all my paints to Ronan, just because they're a good company, and I've noticed them in the past are starting to do really good for small businesses. So that being said, I'm gonna head out with this one to the shop and see how it goes. So look forward to another video in the future of like a try it video. If you haven't already, make sure that you like, subscribe, and follow. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.